Well, our kids are here today to be part of the science that they brought to San Jac. And what they're getting to see are hundreds of different experiments all around this huge, giant room that give them an opportunity to look at these applications and kind of take these ideas home with them when it's over. This is a terrific experience for kids who really never have a chance to go out and explore this science on their own. And it's firsthand. They get to do it themselves, they get to be a part of it, and they actually get to take ice cream and some other experiments with them home again at the end. It's really terrific.